In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off photosensitive on TikTok. So TikTok has this feature where you can turn off all photosensitive videos. So if you have a condition where you can't watch those certain types of videos, then you can turn that on. But if you don't have any condition or anything like that, then you can turn it off, and it's pretty straightforward and simple. So once I've loaded up TikTok, you want to go to your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on these three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. Then click on settings and privacy at the bottom. From here, just scroll down a bit till you get to the content and activity section, and then tap on accessibility. From here, you'll see the option that says remove photosensitive videos at the bottom. For me, it's toggled on, so to turn that off, just toggle that down, and then photosensitive videos will now show on your TikTok. So if you wanted to turn off that feature, now you can. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.